What's up, YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Come back with another box break of UD Heroes 09. 24 packs, a lot of cards, a lot of rookies, so I'm just going to kind of whiz through them real quick, and we'll just pull out the autographs and the numbered cards and crap. Empty box. Good luck. Here we go. I want my crap aside. I'm sorry. I think these. Pack 1. Got a piece of card. Just a whole bunch of rookies and legend cards. I'll name the numbered cards too. I just don't want it to take 15 minutes for me to open a box. First hit. Looks like it's going to be good. Very nice. First hit's going to go to the Minnesota Vikings, numbered 11 of 150. Jersey card of Adrian Peterson. And we're watching him on TV right now. Adrian Peterson jersey. So nice. Looks like we're going to have another nice box of Heroes. This Hero stuff I'm actually really liking. I've never busted any of this stuff since last week, but I'm liking this stuff. Got our first autograph. Nice looking autograph. Number 166 of 199 will go to the Chicago Bears. Rookie autograph of Joaquin Iglesias, obviously on card. Nice looking on card auto. This is box number 1. And this is the first box. So pretty nice. So we pulled one on card auto already and one jersey card. Still looking for 2 more hits. Is he practice squad? I don't know, maybe he is. I didn't think he was, but hell, what do I know? I'm a Colts fan, not a Bears fan, so you guys are probably right. Marvin Harrison numbered card for the Colts. That is number 39 of 99. One of the blue numbered cards, 39 and 99 for the Colts. Got our second hit in here. Another jersey. We'll go slow. Alright, not bad. Number 12 of 150 for the Raiders. A jersey card of Darren McFadden. Darren McFadden jersey. That's for the Raiders. So, 2 nice solid jersey cards. Adrian Peterson and Darren McFadden. Not bad. Last time we pulled Matt Forte and Peyton. So nice jersey cards. These are not really scrub players. I hate it that they put those like guitar heroes and stuff in here. That's kind of dumb. Actually, it's one thing I don't like about this stuff. Another numbered card, numbered 60 of 99. Rookie card of Andre Smith. You guys are going to help me out. I can't exactly remember what team he went to. I think the Bengals, if I'm not mistaken. Went to the Bengals. Am I right? Yeah, Bengals. Okay. Somebody said Dolphins. I think it's the Bengals. No one wants. A lot of Mark Sanchez's and Matthew Stafford's and Michael Crabtree's. A lot of just base rookies, you guys, just to let you know. We've already pulled a lot of base rookies. It'd be nice if we got a dual autograph, one of those Mark Messier, Eli Manning ones or whatever they are. lot of these cards stick together too. Be nice to pull a legend autograph out of here or something. Decoys in here are super freaking thick. Let's pull a really nice rookie autograph. Let's pull Matthew Stafford, Mark Sanchez, Noshan Marino. Pulled Donald Brown last time. Right now, Donald Brown's going to be good this year. He'll end up taking over Joseph Adai. Let's pull Percy Harvin, something nasty. Still looking for one autograph, guys. Still got 2, 4, 6, 7 packs left. 7 packs left, looking for one auto. That's a nice looking card. For the Lions, Matthew Stafford blue, numbered 77 of 99. Nice looking card. Lions, Matthew Stafford, numbered 77 of 99. Nice looking. One of those blue variations, or whatever they call them. Oh, I thought that was our autograph. It would have been Mark Sanchez too. That would have been nice. But nope. Got a Woodstock card in there. 5 left. 5 packs. Yeah, you want me to sign it for you? Right on. That was a weird pack. That pack was all messed up. 4 packs left. Still looking for one hit. Better be in here. Got the hit there. I'm going to save that for the end real quick. These other packs should be dead. Oh, no, here's a numbered card. Bronze, numbered Sean Green. Pretty low numbered for the Jets. Numbered 24 of 35. 24 of 35. And I forgot to record this on blog. My bad. Tell you what, let me hit record right now. We'll just do a recap real quick at the end. For the blog people, I apologize, we forgot to record it, so I'll do a recap really quick, but pulled all our hits. Look at that. Numbered 8 of 10, purple, Mount Rushmore. Numbered 8 of 10, Mount Rushmore. Pretty low numbered, only 10. I don't know if you guys want to random that, I will. The rest is base. Alright, in our last hit, go slow for the camera. There it is. Check it out. Numbered only 3 of 10. You ready for this? 3 of 10 on-card autograph of Matthew Stafford. 3 of 10. So the numbering there in the corner. 3 of 10. Stafford Auto. UD Heroes, we win again. Very nice looking card. UD Heroes has come through twice in 2 weeks. That's some of the best boxes to get, so awesome. That's it. Come back with some more box breaks. Bowman a Suit out.